So these two have been getting along a little bit better since all that separation from her having the egg. She wanted absolutely nothing to do with him. She has helped him. He's been getting in pin feathers or molting or whatever. So she's been helping him clean those up. And they've been loving on each other a lot. So I'm hoping now that with all the separation that they had, that they will love each other. Are you trying to talk to me? Huh? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Gotta be easy. They both get a little rough with each other sometimes. But they're doing a lot better with each other, which is great.